All right, guys, today I just want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and overview on my tonsil remover. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for you, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. I don't know if you guys know, but it could be pretty annoying to have those tonsil stones. So this technically should be a good alternative to get rid of them. All right, so you get a charger, which is like a micro USB. You get a light for it. You get a mirror. It's got a little suction cup so you can touch it wherever you want. All right, and there it is, the actual machine itself. Feels pretty sturdy. You get this Tonsil Stone scoop for like those ones that just need a little bit extra to get it out. That should help. And then it comes with the tongue depressor just to help you out a little more. You get this angled glass nozzle. It's probably the one that I'll use. Some tweezers. A straight glass nozzle. And then like an oral syringe so you can kind of just help loosen everything else back there before you actually use it. Some extra filters for it. You also get the instruction manual for it as well. All right, so let's go ahead and turn it on. Push this right here. All right, there it is. It says weak, it's probably the lowest mode. Then it's got gentle, normal, then pleasing, and the last one is strong. All right, and then just to get it going, we'll go ahead and put this metal piece on it first. And like I said, you have the choice of either the curved one or the straight one. I'm gonna put the curved one on there, like that. I filled it with water already. So all you're gonna wanna do is shoot this to the back of your mouth, and then we'll fire this up. Like I said, I'd probably have it on strong. Now you wanna do, just put all that on the back to where you have that stone. You'll get it out that way. And if it's one of those stubborn ones, you can definitely use some of the other tools that are on here, like this little scoop, just to help get it out, or maybe even the tweezers. You don't need it that strong. Like I said, you could just kind of start on normal, try using it on that. And then once you're done, go ahead and turn this off. Just take this off and go ahead and clean this out. And you have extra filters as well, so you can switch these out as well. So if you guys are looking for a new tonsil remover, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below.